Jai Shri Ram. Bharatrihari says that everything in this world is attended by some fear, because everything is defective and everything is attended by anxiety, angst. The only thing that is free from all anxiety is vairagyam, which is detachment. So therefore be immersed but detached. 1866 Bhagavad Gita. So live according to 1866, where Krishna tells us, Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam braja aham tva sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami ma shuchaha. Immersed but detached and working for Krishna. No sense of doership. DOER. D for no sense of doership. O for no sense of ownership. E for no expectation of reward. Just work for Krishna with all intensity, total commitment and devotion, but not be bothered about the result. He will take care of the result. He is our ex-promiser. Therefore, in this Subhashita, Bhartrihari is lamenting that everything in this world is attended by some fear and anxiety. Bhoge roga bhayam, kule chuti bhayam, vitte nrupalad bhayam, माने दैन्य भयम, बले रिपु भयम, रूपे जराय भयम, शास्त्रे वाध भयम, गुणे खल भयम, काये कृतांताद भयम, सर्वं वस्तु भयान्वितम, सर्वं वस्तु भयान्वितम भुवि नृणाम, सर्वं वस्तु भयान्वितम भुवि नृणाम वैराग्यमेव abhayam. Vairagyameva abhayam. So everything you see, if you take the word by word meaning, so bhoge rogbhayam, kule chuti bhayam, vitte nrupalad bhayam. Those days kings used to take away loot. Now tax and evasion of tax, or being cheated. Mane dainya bhanam, bale ripu bhayam, rupe jaraya bhayam, shastre vada bhayam, गुणे खल भयम, काये कृतांताद भयम, सर्वं वस्तु भयान्वितं भुवि नृणाम वैराग्यमेव